Rhapsody. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my final video. This will be the fourth video in this video series. I'm going to be sharing with you how to use a traditional style skipping rope with this one just has plastic handles. It's from the dollar store, and how to use that to gift wrap. So I'm going to just be taking the same box I've been using for the whole series. It's just a plain IKEA white box. I'm wrapping the box with the skipping rope, and in this particular case it basically just fits. You could alter the length of the rope by if I needed it to be shorter, I obviously could tie the knot off to make it shorter. Longer you can't really do, but you could wrap it less times, or you could use a smaller box depending what your gift is. The other thing that you could do is so all I'm doing is wrapping this around. I'm going to give it a wrap 3 times. For this size of the box, that's kind of what works. And then all I'm going to do is bring these in. I don't really care if it's in the middle. I often like my things offset a bit. All I'm going to do is twist these. I'm going to pull this under. Because of the handle, I don't even really need to knot it. So all I'm going to do is just leave the handles almost like it's not a bow, but obviously just something to create interest and an extra element in the gift. I'm leaving the handles there. I found just a kind of a sheer ribbon that I'm going to use. It coordinates well with the handle. So all I'm going to do is pull it underneath. And one of my favorites, it seems to be something that I often will go back to, is to use just gift bag stuffing. This is just an iridescent one, but I always love that extra sparkle that it gives a gift. And because this would probably be intended for a child because it has the skipping rope on it, I love the idea of a little bit of a sparkle, especially if it's a little girl. She probably would like that. So all I'm going to do is pull this. It's going to hold that little bit of present stuffing there. I'm going to give it a little bit of a bow. These skipping ropes have turned out to be just a really easy way to add impact to a gift in a new and creative way. You can see this length is a little bit longer here. You might want to play with that and even it out. Sometimes I'm more particular about that than others. I'm going to leave it actually off kilter a bit. Sometimes I like that look. The last thing I'm going to add in is I had this laying around. I think one of my kids' friends attached it to something for them for a birthday, and it's just that decorative wire. It can be used kind of as a garland, and this one happens to say happy birthday, and of course this wouldn't have to be a birthday gift, but I had this lying around, and because of the rainbow features of this skipping rope, I thought that the colors don't match up perfectly, but I still thought it actually added a little bit of fun to the gift. So if I use the wire, all I do is kind of cross it over, and then what I do is I try to create kind of a loose, rounded shape, almost like I guess a twist would be the best description. And again, you just kind of have to play with it till you get a look that you like. I don't want these to be really all bent up, so I'm just kind of playing with it. But what it does is it just kind of creates a little bit of dimension with your gift and adds a little bit of interest. So you can see for this gift it was super simple. The skipping rope, I added a little bit of ribbon and a little bit of iridescent present stuffing, and then I had this wire, and again, you can make it standing up, you can pull this wire out, it twists so it'll do anything that you want, and I love the finished look of this gift. I just think it's interesting, it's got great color. If you don't like the way these are lining up, you can always just play with them a little bit, and again, a really nice gift, and in this case the skipping rope could be part of the present as well. So I hope you liked the series on using skipping ropes to help wrap your gifts. Thank you for visiting BOWhemian WRAPsody, and if you enjoyed the videos, please click like and subscribe to my channel for more great gift wrapping tutorials. And don't forget to like and share the page as well. Thank you so much and have a great day.